What's up, y'all? I came to tell y'all about this very inexpensive wig that I got from Amazon. It has a clear lace that melts right in your skin, and I'm gonna put her on using Boho liquid gold. Just combing my hair back, and now the lace was like very short on the sides. I want to say maybe it was like a inch and a half on the side, so I was kind of skeptical, but it actually worked out. It did come with this stocking cap as well, so I didn't have to buy one of those. Didn't do the ball cap method or anything like that. And I just put it on, and it fits really tight. It has a band in the back, and the band is adjustable, and the band placement is like where it should be. So it really just like lays. Like I could have totally just wore this with nothing, but I wanted a more secure um, wig, so I did use the liquid gold. But the liquid gold comes right off with water. It's not glue, so you don't have to worry about your edges or nothing like that, or in my case, lack thereof. Now I have kind of like a small head, so the wig is definitely big head friendly, and it's kind of big, but because it has the band, it stays on. So if you got a big head and you be struggling with wigs fitting, this one is it. Notice it's not sponsored or anything like that, but I do have an Amazon store, so make sure you guys order from my link. Y'all ain't gonna be disappointed because I don't know how to do wigs like that. Like, I do shortcuts, so this was very, very easy for me. Like, they took out a lot of the work. It came pre-plucked. It said that the knots were bleached, but I did bleach them myself because they didn't look like they were bleached good enough. But I didn't pluck it or anything like that. That's not my forte, so easy is better for me. So I'm telling y'all, get you one. I'm also using the liquid gold to do like the baby hairs with as well. Uh, y'all, I don't know what else to tell y'all. Y'all check out my bio or description box wherever you're watching this at. I will have it linked. If you already follow me on Amazon, check out my wigs and weave section. It is there. Trust me, you're gonna need you one of these.